Well, you can soon say goodbye to artificial trans fats in processed foods. The FDA today issued a final ruling on partially hydrogenated oils, finding they're not generally recognized as safe for use in human food. Consumer reporter Susan Hogan joins us live now with new details on what it means for you.
Well, trans fats are usually found in all of those yummy foods like cookies, boxed crackers, and cake frosting, and they're usually there for prolonged shelf life and also to make foods taste better. But the FDA truly believes that without those heart-clogging ingredients, they can still last as long and taste just as good.
PHOs, or partially hydrogenated oils, are a primary source of artificial trans fats in processed foods. The substance is formed when hydrogen is added to liquid oils to make solid fats, like shortening and margarine. It also increases the shelf life of food and enhances flavors. Its use has been on the decline in the United States in recent years, but according to the FDA and some dietitians, not enough.
If they were eating more than one serving of that, they could really consume a high level of trans fats from that food and not even be aware of it.
The FDA says manufacturers have 3 years to remove these trans fats from products. Still, companies can petition the FDA for a special permit to use the artificial trans fats. You can find trans fats in fried and processed foods. Trans fats are considered the worst kind of fat for your heart because they can raise bad cholesterol. The FDA says the decision is expected to reduce coronary heart disease and prevent thousands of fatal heart attacks every year. And people we spoke with like the idea.
I think that's good. I mean, obesity is a huge problem in the United States.
Currently, foods are allowed to be labeled as having 0 grams of trans fat if they contain less than 0.5 grams per serving. But in those 3 years, no trans fat is going to mean just that. No trans fat.
Now, the Grocery Manufacturers Association is working on a petition right now to ask the FDA for certain exemptions. Live in the newsroom, Susan Hogan, Eyewitness News.